How to make a playlist on Spotify, a complete guide. Music lovers, are you ready to enhance your streaming experience? Let's dive into the world of playlists on Spotify. Spotify is renowned for its playlist creation capabilities, allowing users to organize their favorite songs into categories, genres, moods, or themes. This personalization turns your musical journey into something unique and tailored just for you. Creating your playlist. Making a playlist on Spotify is easy and quick. If you're using your mobile device, start by logging into your account and tapping on the Your Library tab. Then navigate to the Create Playlist option. A pop-up will prompt you to name your playlist. Choose a name that reflects its vibe and hit Create. Adding songs. Now that your playlist is ready, let's fill it with your favorite tracks. Find the song you want to add, tap on the three dots icon next to it, select Add to Playlist, and choose your new playlist to add the song. Editing and managing playlists. You can also manage your playlist easily. Want to delete a song? Just navigate to the song in your playlist, tap the three dots next to it, and choose a Remove. Plus, you can set your playlists to public or private by tapping the three dots next to the playlist's name, giving you control over who sees your musical creations. With these simple steps, you can create stunning playlists and share your music tastes with friends and loved ones. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.